Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. It is the new year, 2025. Let's see how Bitcoin and crypto does. The highlights of 2024 were Tesla and Bitcoin. Tesla going from 141 to almost 500. I sold it a few days ago at 431, and Bitcoin going from 16k, but I think that was the year before, halfway through the year before, but we were trading it all the way up to 108k in 2024. Now we're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. To be honest, most things right now are quite overbought or high. Everything's at all-time high. Tesla's at all-time high. Bitcoin's at all-time or close to all-time high. Dropped off a bit. Ethereum close to all-time high. Google at all-time high. Facebook at all-time high. Everything I was buying at the lows of 2021, 2022 have now reached all-time highs, and I've closed I'm nearly all cash except for Guru Ventures seed investments in crypto and legacy companies. Besides that, almost all cash, and I'm going to just actively trade Bitcoin, and I'm going to wait for some nice deals to come. But right now, like Warren Buffett, I'm mainly in cash because I think everything right now is overbought. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. We'll jump into Bitcoin and Ethereum technicals. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Right now, I've got Bitcoin trade open, 2,200. We got a bounce back, 3.5 Bitcoin. I managed to add some close to the bottom there on that drop. These three orders, I got it at 93, 92, and 92, and we bounced back to 94. And I've got Ethereum trade as well open. Let's jump in. The stock market was closed yesterday, but you can see since I sold Tesla at 431, we've dropped to 400. So it's almost been a 7% drop. From the highs, that would be almost the 20 or 16% drop, I think. Doge had a pump yesterday, 2%. Ethereum a little bit. Rest of the market quite flat. Let's go into the weekly. We still got 4 days left on the week. Volume a little bit weak during the New Year's holidays, but not bad. Bitcoin indicator bot still a blue buy, which it fired in 2023. You get it in the Crypto Mastercourse. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell 2 weeks ago. On the daily, volume a little bit dropping off on the New Year's, but stochastic is oversold on the daily, and you can see a descending triangle. Builds pressure, and breaks out. 101k would be the target. It's the base of this descending triangle. Base of this triangle, if we get a breakout here, target would be 101k for Bitcoin. Bitcoin indicator bot is a blue buy. It fired the buy back in October at September 2024. It fired the buy at 62k. It's still a blue buy now. Hasn't fired a red sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fires often on the daily, so use it as one of the indicators. Fired a buy, fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy. Where I would go long on Bitcoin is try to get a pullback on this descending triangle. The safer trade would be to go off 90k. That's a good entrance. 90k is a safe area. Opening 90,400, stop loss 89. Take profit, I would take it to the all-time high, which would be 108. Risk to reward would be 13 times, risking 1,300 per Bitcoin to make 18,000. With 10x leverage, it would be 180,000. That's the safer trade I would take. On a riskier trade, I would take it from the weekly, yearly support for this potential breakout. Let's go closer onto the 4-hourly. 4-hourly stochastic turning up, volume a little bit weak, but it does look like we're going to have a little bit of a pump possibly out of this descending triangle. I would try to get it on the monthly, weekly, yearly supports with a tight stop loss. I mean, even yesterday we came down to 92. I'd try to catch it from 92, and then the same target breakout to the all-time high, 108. That's the riskier trade I would take. From 92,972, stop loss 92,400, risking 563 per Bitcoin to make 16,000 with no leverage. With 10x leverage will be 160,000. Don't use leverage anymore until you're quite a good trader already, or you'll most likely get wrecked. These are the two trades I'll take on Bitcoin, the bigger one being at 90k. And I've already got these trades set up. I'm in a trade 3.5 Bitcoin, which is 329,000, and I'm not paying much fees, only $143 for a few days. The funding fee very low. An Ethereum trade I've got open already as well. It's a $100,000 So I'm about $429,000 in trades. I've got orders for Bitcoin 8, Bitcoin 70K, 4 Bitcoin 87K, 2 Bitcoin 90K, Doge 25 cents, 22 cents, World $1.90, Ton $4.80. I wanted to buy some Doge, but it pumped a little bit. World, I've got 20K, Uni, I've got 10K. Let's check out Uniswap and Doge. I want to check out Uniswap and Doge. Uni, $13.60, up 2%. Uni broke down and now pushing out, actually. Symmetrical triangle forming on Uni. These can go either way, usually with the trend, and the trend is still overall up. So target of this symmetrical breakout trade on Uni would be $17. The support on Uni came down to $11 when we had that big drop, but the support on Uni seems to be at $12.70. A strong support here. Already pushed out a little bit. I want to buy a little bit more Uni, so I'm going to buy right now maybe $10,000 more of Uni. At the current price, I'm buying $10,000 more, so I would have total of 20,000 Uni. Let's look at World and Doge. World 222. World already breaking out, actually. If you notice, it's already breaking out of this descending triangle, or yeah, it's already breaking out of this descending triangle. World, everyone see it? Great buy would have been at $2, so it's already up 20%, 10% since then. But if this breaks out, the potential target of World would be $2.70. So that's where I'd try to sell. So where I'd enter, actually I'm going to add some now. The best point to enter would have been at $2.10. But I'm going to add more to World now. So I've got 20K Uni now, and I'm going to add another 10K to World. That's up 6%, strong bounce. 10K, I'm going to add another 10K to World at the current price. So then I'll have 30K World and 20K Uni. And let's check out Doge. But World and Uni look potentially to break out. Let's look on the daily. Yeah, Uni looks pretty, World looks really good. Big support on World, I would say, is down here at $1.70. That's the big support. This is where I'm entering, and this is my take profit. So take profit, make red. Where I'm entering would be green. Let's go into Doge now. Doge, $3.32. I posted that I want to buy Doge. It looks like it's breaking to the upside on this descending triangle. I asked you guys, should I buy Doge on X? And most of you said, actually, no. I've got 98,200 followers on X. There's a $1,000 giveaway with Weex up until tomorrow, today, the 2nd of January. Make sure you jump into it. 2 people win $500 each. And I made a post about buying Doge, and you guys voted for no. I added 0.5 Bitcoin. Where is that? Here. Now 47%, 53%, 515 votes, 53% wait for lower. But Doge did little pump from then, but it looks like I wanted to buy it at 30 cents, so we're up around 5%, but stochastic is turning up. Volume is quite low. Best point to get Doge would be at 22 cents. That's a strong support. 26 cents also. That's where I've got orders down. But there is a little descending triangle forming here on Doge and breaking out already. The base of the triangle would be 35-cent target. Already looks like it's breaking out on Doge. But good support here would be at 30 cents. So I have orders already, I think. Let's check if I have orders already on Doge at 30 cents. World didn't activate. Oh no, I've got World at $1.94, $1.60, Doge at 25 cents, 22 cents, 26 cents. And it did not, so I'm going to activate some Doge right now. I'll buy it at current price, 10,000. At the current price, I'm buying $10,000, and at the support 31 cents, I'll buy another 10,000. 31 cents. And I'll buy, actually, let's buy 20,000 right now. Buy another 10,000. So $20,000 of Doge will activate at this current price. Let's see if it's going to activate. It's activating some of it. Oh, my order is just sitting right underneath it. You see, 32,470. So I'm going to have 77,000 MCRT, 30,000 World, 20,000 Uni, and it's about to buy $20,000 worth of Doge. Let's see if the trade activates. And I'm in my Bitcoin long and my Ethereum long. I want to see Ethereum again. If it's going to break out 3,300, I want to have a bigger position. Little bit head and shouldery on the 4 hours, to be honest. On the weekly, looks good on this big symmetrical triangle. On the daily, also looks a little bit pretty good. Volume, no, it's the stochastic looks good. We're in a bit of a rising triangle, which is not the best, but if it could be symmetrical triangle, and then if we break out from a symmetrical triangle, the target actually on Ethereum would be 3,900. I'm going to add more to my Ethereum trade right now. So my Doge orders filled. I'm going to add another 10 Ethereum at the current price. It's 1,700. Let's add 30 Ethereum at the current price. That will be a $5,000 trade. Confirm. So I've got now, let's see if it executes. Oh, as soon as I press buy, it just shot up a little bit by like $1. Let's see if it comes down. So I've got 30 Ethereum at 3,355. Yeah, I think the trade is about to, it's very close, 3355.8. It's like 0.1 cent, 33. Let's see if it activates. And I've got my orders already. I've got, so now 77K MCRT, 30K World, 20K Uni, and 20K Doge. And I'll let this Ethereum trade to see if it's like very close. Let's see if it activates. And that will be my updates. All the links to trade are down below. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath. Weex is giving away Ducati, Gold Bar, Rolex, and 150K. And they have a $1,000 giveaway for 2 people before the 2nd of January. This one is already, oh no, this is till the 5th of January. James Crypto, go down below. Bybit, sign up, 60K bonus. Weex is giving away $200 bonus on sign up. Also, 2 people going to chance to win $500 each. And they're giving away that big promo of Ducatis, Rolexes. Sign up down below. It's available USA, UK, and Australia. And it's one of the, and Bitunix is also worldwide. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And that's my updates in the market. I'll leave it at that. Join us in the Telegram. There's 245 of you right now. Tesla is down since another 3% since I sold it 2 days ago. Total would be about 8% since I sold it. Bitcoin short. I would never short Bitcoin in a bull market. Very dangerous. XLM pumping like crazy, which is interesting. People discussing. You can join them in the Telegram, jamescryptoguru.com. That's my updates in the market, everyone. I added some positions here. So my trade on Ethereum will be 60 Ethereum, Bitcoin 3.5 Bitcoin, and now I've got 20K of Doge, 20K of, or 30K of Uni, and 30K of World. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's see how we do these days. Usually I would expect that the New Year's was the biggest selling pressure on the crypto markets because the ETFs aren't buying. So let's see how it all, once it all turns back on, how we'll do. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.